Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica, and for today I have another unboxing. This time it's gonna be a box from QVC. QVC it's a website that sells almost everything. What I used to get from them are the beauty boxes. Usually they look like this, and they come. Each box has 7 products. Love the box itself. It's really beautiful. This blue. And also the box is a great box for storage or because it's really sturdy, so I love the color for the box. But before going into the unboxing, let's call the channel of the day, which is for today I have C Squad. I'm gonna leave her channel down below so you guys can go ahead and support each other. Also from my part, thank you so much for doing that. So let's go ahead and see what's in this box. Usually those boxes are coming with a mix of products from skincare, makeup, body care, hair care, everything you want in those boxes. I have a couple unboxes on my channel from a couple months ago, but this is a new one, so let's go ahead and see what's in this box. So it comes with the card. It says here Tili's Try It, Love It. It has a card with all the products that are in the box, and what we have here, actually we have the ingredients for each product, not how to use them. Here is the box inside. Lots of tissue here. Looks like this. Something smells really nice here. I don't know what it is, but the box smells really nice. And the first item that I see here, it's from Vita Liberata, if I'm saying right. It's Luxury 10. It's a great size. I heard this is a very good brand. I didn't try it, maybe it's about time. So this is the first product. Then we have here from First Aid Beauty is the face cleanser, another good size, which looks like this. We have from Julep, this is an Boost Your Radiance, and this one is a face oil. And let's see how big is this little guy. And this one looks like this. It's a tiny one, but all you need is 2-3 drops, so this is gonna last a while. Then we have here from the Brow Girl, if I'm saying right. It's from Tonya Crooks. This is the pencil in medium brown 04. It's an eyebrow pencil. And also this one, I believe this one is a deluxe sample, and also this one comes with the sharpener here, which is great. This brand used to come a lot in FabFitFun add-ons, and not just the add-ons. Then we have a big size, maybe a full size, I don't know exactly, maybe not. This is the Briogeo Blow Dry Perfection Heat Protectant Cream, which looks like this. And this one has 4 ounces. It's a good size. Then we have here from Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Universal Daily Peel in 2 steps. Step 1 and 2, and we have 3 of them. And the last item in the box, it's from 8 Cosmetics, and this one is Confidence in a Cream. Is this one? It's a deluxe sample, which looks like this. So far 7 products. I believe the box is around $20 something, if I'm right. We get 7 products. I don't know if one of them is full size, maybe not, but we have the 8 cosmetics confidence in a cream. We have Dr. Dennis Gross, 3 of them. We had the heat protecting cream from Briogeo. We have the Julep face oil. We have the brow gel. We have the brow pencil. We have a face cleanser from First Aid Beauty, and from Vita Liberata, the Luxury 10. So those are the products in this box. I like to get those boxes because they have a great mix of products. You always get makeup, hair care, skincare, all of them. So this was in the box. I'll leave the link down below as usually. Let's call the channel of the day again, which for today it's C Squad. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. You have a great day. See you soon. Bye bye.